Today we will be learning about the apex predator, Wilma. Today Miss Wilma is entering the splash pad where she likes to yell at her companion Diesel. We will learn about the features, sounds and appetite of little Miss Wilma. We have the honker noise machine hotspot. Then we have the little flappy tootsies that are quite loud on concrete. Wilma features two beautiful big blue eyes. She uses them to watch out for food given to her by her humans. Wilma has a built-in poop maker. This compartment makes. Wilma also has a lovely sounding voice maker. She uses it to call her flock of friends. Wilma then likes to boss around her companion Diesel. Hope you enjoyed learning well about Wilma.